I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Telus to Freedom Mobile, follow these steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Gather your information. Before changing your settings, use the *com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Visit Freedom Mobile websites. Go to the Freedom Mobile website or visit a local store. If you're doing it online, navigate to the section for new customers and look for the option to port your number. Step 3. Complete the porting form. Fill out the online form with your personal details and the information you gathered from Telus. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. Double check your Telus account number, as a small typo can cause issues. Step 4. Confirm the port request. After submitting the form, you will receive a confirmation email or message from Freedom Mobile. Follow the instructions provided to confirm your port request. This step is crucial to ensure your number is transferred correctly. Step 5. Wait for the port to complete. The porting process usually takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours. During this time, keep your Telus account active until the port is confirmed. You might experience a brief service interruption, so be prepared. Switching your number can be a bit daunting, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly to Freedom Mobile. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Good luck!